James Yap, very good. Richard, sa open court, talagang hirap awatin yan pag nakabuelo.
Alam niyo po, to si James Yap sabi nga natin, all of a sudden exploded once he got his first 2 points from the stripe. And Brandon Cablay also checks in the ball game together with Roger Yap.
At ito si James Yap, excellent free throw shooter, Richard, 88%. 3 times pa lang nag-mintis ito sa first 5 games nila.
At Jennings mo, ginawa mong 4.
Sorry. Ayun, ang pinalas doon, ano?
Ayun, oo. Uy, nalibre bagya si Easy pero naka-recover yung depensa. Yan ang Pure Foods. Another miss coming from Catley. This time, ito naman Pure Foods PGA Giants will slow things down. The Coca-Cola Tigers now back to their man defense. Yes, and kinapitan itong si Mark Bingris. Mark Bingris. As we see a change in personnel, Colomia and Arrigo started the game for the Coca-Cola Tigers back in the ball game.
Si Brandon Cablay, nandiyan na rin para sa Pure Food.
Raymundo, jab step. Offline. Eight and 33 remaining in the first half. Just tuned in. Wala po si Ali Pig sa lineup ngayon or sa floor para sa Coca-Cola Tigers because he had 3 early fouls nung first quarter pa lamang. 3-second violation.
Oo,
so turnovers continuing. 9 turnovers para sa Coke and 11 turnovers for Pure Foods. James Yap. Time it's off target. Pero another offensive rebound. Quick turnaround with this. Arrigo. Kabagnot, open 3. Bang!
At yan, Richard, ang shot that Kabagnot has to take pag libre siya dahil dinodouble si Arrigo, and he has to make that para sa Coca-Cola kung pag-asa silang manalo dito.
First team 3 para dito kay Alex Kabagnot. And ito, a turnover para sa Pure Foods PGA Giants. A chance para sa Tigers get the lead or tie the ball game.
At nakita natin sa previous play, Richard, si Colomia ang bumantay dito kay James Yap na sa umpisa ng laro, effective na-zero niya si James Yap sa ngayon ulit.
Ito na naman si Kabagnot, sumugod, binigay kay Isip. Isip turns around, gets the basket, and he ties the ball game at 27.
6 points na para kay Mark Isip, who is averaging only still over a point. No?
Yes.
So talaga malaking bagay ang contribution ni Mark Isip dito para sa Coca-Cola Tigers.
And this basket by Mark Isip ties the ball game at 7 minutes and 14 seconds in our first half.
Itong si Chester Tolomia.
Yun nga, at well, si James Yap, of course, very patient when in choosing his shots. Kirby Raymundo against Caceres who checked in. And inaatake naman nila ngayon yung depensa ni Kabagnot at the post. Pangalawa na rin yan ni Alex Kabagnot. James Yap asking for the letter against Colomia. Muntik maagawan and big ball.
Pero kita natin talagang Chester Tolomia playing him very tight. Talagang hirap na hirap. Walang espasyo halos itong si James Yap.
You know, pag alam mo na ikaw yung i-assign na defender against James Yap, talagang 2 araw pa bago mo makaharap, iniisip mo na itong si James Yap. And
Malaki.
Alex Kabagnot, pangatlo na yan, ha?
Malaking problema ito para kay Coach Binky Pabis dahil earlier, gaya ng sinabi mo, Alipig 3 fouls, ngayon si Kabagnot naman.
And Yap inside. Adupul, natapik ni Arrigo. Mananatili sa Pure Foods CJ Giants. 6 seconds na lang natitira sa shot clock dito ng Pure Foods. James Iap, quick release. And a long rebound na naman para sa Pure Foods. Kita nyo naman yan. You know, you cannot stop playing defense. You have to finish the defense by getting the rebound.
Ngayon, dahil magiging useless lahat ng effort mo sa depensa kung hindi mo tapusin with the rebound.
At nasangge itong si John Arrigo ni Brandon Cablay, former teammates with Alaska Aces. First foul para dito kay Brandon Cablay. And John Arrigo on the line. But nagjeta rin to si John Arrigo in their last ball game against Air 21. Only 8 points for John Arrigo in 24 minutes.
Big reason kung bakit sila nahirapan doon.
Okay, 2 for 2 para dito ngayon kay John Arrigo. Ties the count again.
At so far, 6 points para kay John Arrigo.
7th deadlock of the ball game. Roger Yap. Take out pass niya. Ito na ngayon si Cablay. Cablay back to Yap. Yap goes inside. Fades away. Wala. Romela Ducal again for another offensive board. And this time they will set it up.
Ayan na naman, Richard. Excellent defense para sa Coca-Cola. Hindi lang matapos with the rebound.
9 offensive rebounds para sa Pure Foods CJ Giants so far. Nagawang bola. May nakitang foul si referee Jess Ferrer. Oh,
Second motion.
may
So,
technical foul. Si Romel Adupol.
hindi na natin napansin ang nangyari doon dahil parang naging ordinary na dito, Richard, yung pisikalan, banggaan, as long as it doesn't affect, di ba, yung offensive
Flow
player.
of the game, yes. At ito nga, si John Arrigo will take the technical free throw, but the ball will stay with the Pure Foods TJ Giants kasi out of bounds na sa Pure Foods yung bola. Nagkaroon lang ng second motion si Romel Adupol. So baseline inbound for the white shirts. James Yap. Ayan na naman si Tolomia. Kirby Raimundo sumugod, nawala yung bola. Here's a fast break play para sa Coca-Cola. Enrile binigay kay Caceres. And no fast break opportunity doon para sa Coca-Cola Tigers. Set up their offense. Ito na ngayon si Arrigo. Binigyan ng screen ni Caceres. Na-double team si Arrigo. He's trapped and he travels.
At si Arrigo, nagagalit dun sa teammates. Magpakita kayo dahil double team na nga siya dito sa labas. Iba yung yung mga reaction ng fans ngayon. Very excited sila with this new brand of play ng PBA.
Very involved, no? When they see mga contacts na ganyan, napapa-u, napapa-a.
Yes,
Diba? Caceres. Hands off to Arrigo. Yes! Arrigo already with 9 points.
At ang Coca-Cola, lamang, Richard,
Lamang
ng 3
na.
points. Pero ang Pure Food, based sa earlier games nila, the first 4 games, palagi yan. First half, either tie or lamang yung kalaban.
Behind the back pass para dito kay Adupol. And slapped away ni John Arrigo. So, well, if you're the Coca-Cola Tigers, medyo magugustuhan mo kung nasan kayo ngayon because you're up by 3, wala kang Ali Pic, wala kang Alex Cabagnot, and ikaw pa yung lamang.
Yes, and nakita natin yung earlier foul. Tinawag doon dahil yun ang pass. Yung bola tumama sa kamay. Actually ngayon, Richard, di mo na kailangan gawin yun Kasi you can use your body, yung lower body, ibangga mo siya ng ibangga. Pwede yun. Actually, wag lang ma-displace yung bola, ma-dispossess.
Session yung hawak sa bola. Ito, split by Romel Adupol. Nako, weak pass. Naagaw. Romel recovers, pero ito, counter steal. Arrigo. Wala, yung tapik ni Isip para kay Caceres. Nagawang bola, napunta pa rin kay Isip. And Isip finds Enrile. Binigay sa ilalim kay Tolomia. One quick. No, a lot of hesitation sa
Actually,
play ng Coca-Cola Tigers.
Ron J. Enrile had a wide open shot, Richard, which dapat